How to sell products from AliExpress on Wix. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a website on Wix that you can sell AliExpress products on it. Basically, it is going to be a drop shipping process. So you're going to get some cheap elements or products from AliExpress and you're going to put them onto your Wix store and you're going to get paid for them for a little bit of a higher price, and then you're going to put the let's say here the order from AliExpress. The first thing that you need to do is to head over AliExpress, sign in or register for an account, because this is going to be very necessary for the automation or the creation of the manual orders. You're going to head over wix.com, then you're going to sign in for an account or register also for an account in here, and then you're going to create a website. Basically, if you are familiar with Wix, you're going to get your site's dashboard. If you're not, you're going to see this page that will demand from you to select a editor that you're going to start with. So for the Wix Studio, we have a channel that has all the videos related to Wix Studio, how we can create websites on Wix Studio, how we can make modification. You can check out the channel of ours, so you are going to have here an idea on how you can use Wix Studio. But in our today's video, we are going to click on create on a new Wix editor, and then we are going to set up the things manually or automatically with the help of Wix ADI. So even if you are going to click on start chat, you can go ahead and set up the things, or the, let's say, the different elements of your constitution of the Wix dashboard of your website. Of course, you're going to answer some few questions, and these questions are going to help you generate the perfect uh, dashboard for your needs. But here I'm going to set up without the chat. If we are going to start it up without the chat, we are going to have a possibility afterwards to set up the Wix ADI for the website design. So I'm going to click on set up without chat, and then we are going to see here the first step to set up the website, which is going to be defining the type of the website. So basically, we are going to type in drop shipping. So here, shipping like that. So basically, we are going to be drop shippers. So as you can see, we have some choices like e-commerce store or drop shipping online store. We are going to set up everything. So we are going to put up as e-commerce store, not drop shipping, but we are going to have here the same thing. When you click on continue, it is going to prepare the first glance of your dashboard, which is going to help us to set up the order. So once you are here, maybe you are going to get a window that will, let's say, facilitate the things or task for you by adding up some apps, or also adding up the name of the website in here. And then you're going to set it up as much as you wish. So you can go ahead and set up the payment methods. This is the first thing that you are going to see here. You're going to click on settings and click on accept payment. Change the country that you're going to be in here. So some of the countries will not have Stripe. For those who are new to the dropshipping, Stripe is going to be your way to gain money, because without Stripe, you have did nothing. So we are going to switch the location to France, for example, US or UK. These are going to be the countries that will accept Stripe on Wix, and then you are going to connect your account in here. This is the first thing. Now, the second thing is going to have here the apps, or let's see here, store products. We have the store product. As you can see, we are going to click on catalog, and here we are going to see that we have the products. So that means that the Wix stores is already installed, and this is a good thing. So we are not going to have here the apps of the app market to install again at the Wix stores. So you are going to click on your create or new product, select your physical product, and then you are going to start setting up the product. So we are going to check, for example, for any product that we want, we are going to click on here, and then we are going only to copy or save the images of that specific product. You can go ahead and have a app or integration called, let's say here, I think that it is here. Product importer. Here we have it. Image downloader. You can go ahead and have this app. So it is going to infiltrate the website for the images, and it is going to have all the images that you're going to, um, as you can see here, set. So we are going to select the, for example, the image, click on download, and it is going to be downloaded just in here. So if you are going to put it up here or transform it into a GPG or a PNG, convert it online, and here we have it. So do not forget to set up the description of the product. So you can go ahead and have this image. You can go ahead and save it as a PNG. For example, these are going to be a AVIF files. It could be converted, so it is no problem in here. Basically, you're going to head over the description, the specification of that product, copy and paste them, just like that. You are going to have here, for example, this image. You can go ahead and add it in here, and then you are going to set up the basic info of the product, the name. For example, here the name of the product. We're going to head over here, set up the name. We need to modify the name of the product because it is going to be a lot complicated since it is going to be translated from multiple languages in Aliexpress, and this what make this product title longer. Now for description, you're going to head over here and you're going to set up the specification. Maybe some products are going to have some descriptions, maybe not. Who knows? So you're going basically to have here the description. You need only to set up. Also, you can go ahead and put some, let's say, images and then illustration. So for the pricing, you're going to see here a list of prices. We're going to check out. Here we are going to check first that the shipping, if it is going to be free or not. We're going to set up here an estimation of 3 to 4 or $5 shipping, because maybe for our country it is going to be free. Maybe for other countries it is going to be paid. So we are going to include it into the price. So we are going to put here approximately $5, which is going to be, I'm going to use the calculator in here. So we are going to put 8.37 plus $5, and then we're going to calculate our margin. So basically, I'm going to do a drop shipping, and this is my full right to augment or increase the price. Maybe we're going to put this as, let's say, 39.99. This is going to be in here. So we are going to put here 39.99. Then we are going to put it in here. So we have basically that's 8.73 or 37 plus 5, 37. So 39.99 minus 13.37. This is our margin. It is going to be $26.62. This is more than sufficient in my case. So we are going to put the price of it in here. So for example, 39.99. And then you can go ahead and put it, for example, on sale or reduce the price a little bit. You can add the options if they are available in here. And then you are going simply to click on save. And here we have it. This is the first thing that you need to set up before anything. Then you are going to click on design the site, because you're going to have here either it is going to be generated design with the AI, or customizable, or a customized or preset template that you've had in Wix. So we are going to see here all the type of stores that are available. You need to select the most simplest one. So for example, accessories, this is going to be simple. Electronic ones, you can go ahead and view any website and also see it in here. So I'm going to check it up. Um, this is a little bit not that simple website, so we're not going to use it. We're going to use, for example, another website which is going to be much simpler, like this one, or the ones like this. Or you can go ahead and use that tote. As you can see, this tote bag website, you can go ahead and view it. Also, put in here some efforts and add the product. This is a direct website. As you can see, we are on the page, and this is a direct website. You can go ahead and use it as much as you want because the dropshipping only need a website that will list all the products together in one page. And if in case you're not going to promote only one product, multiple products, the clients, when they are going to head over the homepage, they are going to see all the products available. Basically, when you finish that, click on edit and you're going to see the website loading. So you are going to modify your website from here. This is the Wix editor. Add elements, manage the pages, add sections, and also organize the menus, and also add different apps. So in here, I have a suggestion for you, which is going to be adding up maybe some, let's say, apps that will help you. So we are going to select the website in the dashboard. We need to get the access to the dashboard. Then you're going to head over the apps and open up the marketplace. So we are going to see here if any of the apps are going to be available that we need for dropshipping. And from these apps, we have DSers, which is well known for dropshipping from AliExpress, also AutoDS. Those apps will automate the process of fulfilling the orders on the AliExpress. So you are going to add them to your site, sign in for an account within them, and also you can import the products directly from these platforms. Basically, that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.